Hi everyone, good day. Check this out. Baffles on. Alright guys, good day. So this is a part 2 review of my Akrapovic full system exhaust installed on my Honda CB650R. There's the first part to the review. You can click here on this link to watch that if you haven't. Basically, just a 2-word summary of that review: that it's too loud. So yeah, in that review particularly, I removed the DB killers right from the shop. There's a part 2 to the review because I have reinstalled the DB killer back onto the exhaust to make it slightly quieter. The DB killer, or the baffles, or you can also call it the silencer, was removed on the first video review, and I think it is a bit too loud for my liking because, you know, I go through tunnels, I have neighbors, and I go to work with the bike, and I also think it's slightly antisocial. Personal opinion. If you don't think so, that's fine, all fine by me, but it's just as a rider of this bike, and I ride it every day to work, I think it's a bit too loud. Okay, so just to go through what I feel about this exhaust is that I got it because I just wanted a bit of noise. I just wanted to hear a little bit more of the volume from this 4 inline engine. I know it has the potential of making an awesome sound. Guys, tunnel. Okay, what do we do in the tunnel? I can't resist myself. Alright, back to the review. So I find myself short shifting the bike more than anything because shifting up a gear means lower revs means quieter. So I just wanted the bike to be a bit quieter so I can gather my own thoughts while I'm riding the bike. Okay guys, another tunnel. Woo! That was fun. So, yeah! Alright, a little review of the Akrapovic full system exhaust with the baffles on. It's not too loud. During idling, it was decent. It wasn't annoying or it wasn't antisocial in my opinion. So, yeah, I like this. I like the fact that when you're idling the bike, it's just not too loud, not too embarrassing. That means you can have it quiet as well. You just gotta keep the revs low. But once you wind her up, once you open it, that sound, it's definitely loud enough, for me at least. Yeah, I like this. This is the sweet spot for me. This is just perfect, spot on. I love this bike's exhaust now that I have installed the DB killer. It is such an awesome sound note. It's just enough to satisfy my itch to get some volume out of the bike, and this wonderful engine makes a lot of noise. Like right now I'm on 4th, I'm not making much noise at all. This is awesome. So by installing this exhaust onto this bike, Akrapovic claims around 5 horsepower gain and around 5 kilograms weight saving. So before that, I didn't feel that benefit because I tend to short shift. I didn't feel any power difference, any immediateness in terms of its torque delivery. But now that I ride normally, like I usually would, I can definitely feel that there's a difference in terms of its responsiveness, and it's probably torqueier, slightly torqueier than before because of this exhaust. That is awesome, because other than the sound, I get to enjoy the other benefits of having this exhaust installed on this bike. It is an expensive exhaust, and I would like for it to have a little bit more benefit other than just volume added to the whole ride itself. I don't know if you can hear that clearly, but it's just enough volume for me to enjoy my ride while not having to be too loud and too obnoxious to the environment. And even in environment of, you know, a few bikes and a few cars around me, I can still hear the bike loud and clear. Oh, there's a little bit of pop there. That's awesome. If you want to add a little bit more volume to your ride, you just open the throttle a bit more and you get the sound which you desire mostly about this bike. Like here, I'm in the neighborhood. Let's short shift in order to not disturb the neighbors in their deep slumber on a Sunday morning. So yeah, that's good about it. You can have, you know, a quiet bike, just keep the revs low, or you can have that, you can enjoy the sound by opening up the throttle a bit more. Awesome thing. I think I want to keep it with the baffles on in the long run. This suits me a lot more than before. So yeah, I love this exhaust. I think it's money well spent now that it fits me perfectly. That's it, guys. There goes my part 2 review of the Akrapovic full system exhaust installed on my Honda CB650R. If you want to watch the first part of the review with the baffles out, please click on this link here. And hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions or comments, please write them in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I hope to see you again on my next videos. So most importantly, stay safe, ride safe, and have a great day. Bye bye. Ooh, that's a nice bike.